And last class we have discussed regarding this Ratchet and Powell mechanism. Okay, if you have any doubts with respect to Ratchet and Powell mechanism, you can discuss with Google Classroom or any WhatsApp. I'll clarify your doubts. Okay. Next topic is last topic in module 1, that is a steering gear mechanism. Okay, steering gear mechanism. Okay, this mechanism is most commonly used in automation system, automobiles. Okay, vehicles. Okay, steering gear mechanism is used in automobiles for changing the directions of wheels. Okay, with reference to the chassis. In this, the chassis you can see here. And this see this is there no that rectangular part A B C D, that is called chassis. And this A, the extended links from A and B is there no, this four are the four wheels. Okay, this extended part A, B and C, D is there called as axles. Okay. Mm. And this is the L is the length of the chassis. This L is the length of the chassis. And this sigma is mentioned inside, that is breadth of the chassis. This Q is the overall length. Okay, this Q is the overall width along with the wheels and axles. Okay, this front axis, that front axle we call it as stub axles. Okay, stub axles is nothing but it is having number of links. Okay, number of elements which is attached with number of with fastening systems. It may be of temporary fastening system, that is bolt and nuts systems. Okay, and D is a fixed link or rigid axle. Okay, the D, and the last back wheels, back axle is there no, that is not a stub axles. Okay, stub axle is nothing but it is consisting of number of links which is attached together. Okay, wheel A and wheel B we call it as stub axle wheels. Okay, and D and C is called as back axle wheels. Okay, in this, see the one more point is there here, that is I. Okay, what is this I is nothing but it is an intersection point of all. Okay, for example, D, wheel D and wheel C will intersect at I, and wheel B and wheel A is intersecting at I. Okay, these conditions, when these conditions will holds good, then only the vehicle will takes a turn and the wheel, all the four wheels will be in contact with the road. Okay, if it is not there, if it is not this link will not form, this I point will not form, that intersection point I will not form, means there is an what is that, there may be an accident, or it will not be in, all the fours will not be in contact with each other, all the four wheels will not be contact with the road. There may be an abnormal conditions of the wheel. For example, you are going you are driving a car. Okay, the vehicle is moving at a very high speed, that is of you are going to the speed of the car is of you are driving at 120 or 130 kilometer per hour. If you are going to take a sudden turn, what happens? Sudden hairpin curve it came. Okay, what you need to do, you need to do reduce the speed of the car and you need to take the turn. If you are not reducing the speed, what happens? The outer wheels of the car and inner wheels of the car, it is always in contact with the road, but the outer wheels does not have any contact with the road. This is because of the steering wheel mechanism. If this condition I, the point of intersection is there no, that it will not coincides, that A B C D will not coincides, then there is an abnormality in the turning of the vehicle. In that cases, the vehicle may fall in any direction. Okay, because of that only the steering wheel, this is very important. Okay, I'll explain in detail, you just check once, just listen. The steering mechanism is used in automobile for changing the directions of wheel, of course axles, with respect to the chassis, so has to move the automobile in desired path. For of course the steering is needed to move the vehicle in a desired path. Usually the two back wheels will be in a common axle. Okay, the back wheel does not have any stub axles. Okay, it is a common axis, and which is a fixed one, fixed in direction. Okay, it is fixed in one direction. Okay, with reference to the chassis, and the steering is done by means of front wheels. Okay, we need to turn a vehicle means we will going to change the positions of the front two wheels. Okay, sometimes four wheel drive we will get. Okay, all the fours will are the four, and some vehicles, some military vehicles, all four will be all two axles will be stubbed. Okay, in this only one front wheel will be a stubbed axle. This is most commonly used for all general purpose automobiles. If it is a military applications or special applications, both front and the rear axles will be a stubbed axles. Okay. In this case, the front axle is only a stubbed one. Okay, in automobile the front wheels are placed over the front axle stub, we call it as stub axles, which are pivoted at a point A and B as shown in a figure. See this A and B. When the vehicle takes a turn, the front wheel along with the stub axles turns about the pivot points. Okay, see this A is a pivot point and B is a pivot point. The vehicle A, wheel A will turns to position I and B will also position taking a turn. See this angle of inclination, what theta is mentioning, that we call it as angle of inclination. Both the inclinations will be same, but A will takes inwards and B will takes outwards. Okay, because the vehicle is taking left turn. Okay, if vehicle is taking in right turn, the way A will be in outwards and B will be inwards. Okay, same thing. Okay. mm, Back axles and the back wheel remains straight. Okay, in this back axles and the, see, for any direction the back will be same. These two are D and C, the back wheels will be there, that will be following link wheel A and wheel B. Okay, D is following wheel A and B is following wheel B. That is the thing. Okay, always. Okay, always there should be absolute rolling contact between the wheels and rotating road safety. And all these four wheels is there, no? That four wheels should be should rolls over the road surface. Okay, it should not slides. Okay, if it is sliding means there is not a correct steering mechanism. Okay, it is sliding means, okay, it should not slide, it should roll. All the wheels should roll over the roads. Okay, rolls over against the roads. Okay, always there should be an absolute rolling contact between the wheel, as I told, and the road surface. Any sliding motions will cause wear and tear of the tires. Okay, when a vehicle is taking a turn, absolute motions of the wheel, absolute rolling motions of the wheels on the road surface possible. Okay, only if all these wheel described concentric circles, therefore the two front wheel must turn about the same instant center psi. As I told, same instant centers. Okay, this wheel A, wheel B, wheel D, wheel C will be at coincides at one point. It is taking a turn, then only the vehicle will be it is taking the turn properly. Okay, if it is not coinciding with I, we need to tell that it is not the vehicle is not steering properly. Okay, and it is, there is an abnormality will be there in the steering mechanism. Okay, you understood? This is the thing which related to steering gear mechanism. And for you peoples, they're going to ask for Ackermann steering gear mechanism. This Ackermann steering gear mechanism, you can see this is also a same. A and B is a stubbed wheel, and D and C is fixed and back wheel mechanisms. Okay, and this you just see A, L, M, B are the four links, and A, P and BQ is also one link. Okay, all this is also a same mechanisms of steering gear mechanisms. Okay, instead of see this alpha is there, no? Alpha is the inclination. Okay, angle of inclinations of link AL and BM. This alpha is equal. Okay, and the steering will be there at the center. Okay, at the coinciding point of L and M, the dotted line what they are showing, you just see here. And here also you are going to rotate. Once if you are going to rotate the mechanism, what happens, the link AL and BM, it will changes. Okay, but it will makes an equal inclination. Okay, based on that P and Q will rotates. See, for example, A and L will changes its position means AP will also turns, BM means BQ also turns, the same thing. Okay, this is the length of the chassis. The explanations which is given here, you just go through it. Okay, Acme steering gear mechanism RSAB is a 4-bar chain. See here, AB LM is there, is a 4-bar chain, link R and SB. So some difference is there in this. Okay, same thing. Okay, I'll going to share one more theory for this Ackermann steering and Ackermann steering gear mechanisms are the same thing is there in this one. What in textbook? You just go and refer this. Okay, any doubts is there? You just come to me. I'll explain. Okay.